not all transformers are large and bulky. Some units, like buck boost transformers, are tiny and compact, which is very beneficial for businesses looking to maximize space at work sites. This type of transformer is used to rectify a small voltage range, typically within a span of plus or minus 5 to 27%. The power distribution devices are very economical, as they can be installed close to connected machines. Additionally, providing accurate voltages to equipment on the output side ensures smooth long-term operation and deters excess heat generation. With this scenario, buck boost transformers can be used to boost productivity and cost effectiveness, protecting connected equipment resulting in long-term use, reducing potential damage, which decreases costly maintenance, keeping system and equipment configurations tight on the operating floor, which makes more room for other equipment and improves productivity. Larson Electronics offers an assortment of single-phase and three-phase buck boost transformers. Protected by NEMA-rated housings, our selection is suitable for HVAC systems, heaters, lighting systems, fans, motors, automation, data centers, industrial locations, commercial facilities, manufacturing equipment, international voltage rectification, and more. To check out our selection of buck boost transformers, visit Larson Electronics today.
At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.